Good afternoon. Today, we will show you how to cook Igado, a native dish from the Philippines that comes from the Ilocos region. Guys, our ingredients are pork. We have pork. We have pork liver that I marinate with the soy sauce and vinegar. We have carrots. We have bell pepper, onion, garlic, green peas, bay leaves, black pepper. We have vinegar, water, soy sauce. We have oyster sauce and oil. Okay guys, let's start by putting cooking oil in the cooking pot. Okay, we have to saute this garlic. We have to brown it a little bit. Next, we have to put the onion. Okay guys, I prepare already everything so that it's easy for us to cook. I cut the pork in strips and then the liver in strips too. Also, the carrots, I cut it in strips. Next thing is we have to put the pork. For 5 minutes, we'll open. We have to mix it. We cannot now put the liver. Add the liver and add oyster sauce. Mix it. We will put the bay leaves. Okay, and we will cover and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, next thing we have to put a half teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, we'll add a little bit of water. And then we'll put the vinegar. Okay, now we'll open this and then we will put all the ingredients, the remaining ingredients. Put the vinegar.
Naluto na namin itong igado. Join us sa pagkain. At dito na expect for that we do. Thank you, Lord. Igado. Kasi yung paborito ng mga isa sa mga paborito ng mga Ilocano. Naalala ko si Tata.